You know, speaking on the same issue of Yorubas, Yoruba so-called pastors, some useless bastards they produce there, they call leaders. Pastors, can you imagine? You know, speaking of the likes of Tunde Bakare and Primate Ayodele, all these stupid idiots, fools still go to their church, sit down, and then listen to these bastards open their mouth, bunch of jackoffs, you know, come out and say some certain things, derogatory and disrespectful about a tribe. And these guys hold positions. Their leader, who said he was going to throw some Igbos living in Lagos, in Lagoon, for not voting if they don't vote his choice. This other guy whose name I really don't know right now. Yeah, Femi Fani-Kayode. Femi Fani-Kayode is the person who came out to explain how the Yorubas, the name was a curse placed on them by the Fulanis. These are not coming out from the mouth of other people. These are coming out from a Yoruba person. And you know, when your curse has become the name you carry, like just like in the Bible, you have Edom. Edom was not a word of blessing; it was a curse. But that was not necessarily a proclaimed curse. That was a self-inflicted curse. But this one being, according to him, Femi Fani-Kayode, a proclaimed curse, being carried as a name of the whole tribe. It's rather supposed to be a thing of focus for this bastard who calls himself Primate Ayodele. But somehow, you know, using derogatory terms and insulting the Igbos seem to be something they do whenever they want to go viral. When they feel like their churches are collapsing, when they feel like they're not getting much attentions anymore, you know, they throw insultive words on the Igbos. But my problem is, if it's just a normal person I meet on Facebook, you know, on Instagram, saying annoying things and insulting things about other tribes as a whole, I might feel like this is just one of those guys who, you know, who are just, you know, you can use any word to qualify those individuals. But when a person you expect, when you can't see the Igbos, people like Peter Obiden, people like, you know, all these innocent them, even pastors, you don't see famous pastors in Igbo land coming out to speak evil things. You don't see Lazarus or Moaka them coming out to say insultive things about the Yoruba tribes and other tribes. But somehow, the Yorubas, the one they have in dignitaries, are the ones who shows how much their mothers has fared.